Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to be talking about testing, math tests. I kind of want to give you an update and an overview, so hopefully I can relieve some of your anxiety if you have some test anxiety. But our first test is not until after the 10th lesson, and then we have a test every 5 lessons after that. So what you'll find is if you go to the lessons, these are going to be in 5 lesson increments. So when we finish the first 2 sections, so lesson 1 through 5 and then 6 through 10, we'll have a test, and then we'll have a test at 15, 20, 25, so after each lesson. The review for the test, so if we go back up here and we see our buttons again on Schoology, and I'm in Schoology, and we click our test reviews, the reviews for the test show up here, and I've already posted the review for the first test. And kind of depending on how everything goes the first week, I should know. Right now I have the first test scheduled as Wednesday, the 8th of September, and I'll show you that in the lesson planner. But I already have the first review posted. Normally I post the review and pass out a sheet of paper review at least a week before the test. I always like to have a weekend that we can play catch up if we need to play catch up, and you guys can work on the review. We will discuss the review in class the day before the test, and we'll do the alternative review in class the day before the test. Now, keep in mind there are no retakes on math tests, and the tests are cumulative. So let's say you bomb the first test, but on test 2A, because these are sequential, you get a 100. At the end of the term, I will replace that test you bombed with the higher grade. This makes more sense actually as it continues, but since everything on test 2A is covered in test 1A, if for some reason you have a one-off and you have a bad day, and then you study really hard for the next test, it'll replace that grade. So if you need more explanation on that, please let me know. I was going to show you on the lesson planner where the test is at. So here's the weekly lesson planner. I'm going to click that. And then the lesson planner is in a PowerPoint presentation. I'll click that. So as we open this up, we see we have Monday, and it tells you what our goal is, what we're going to try and do in class, things that you need in class, reminders, you got this, and then your homework. Whatever you don't finish in class is homework. So here's Tuesday, and our reminders on Tuesday start talking about that first test. Hey, just a heads up, if you're a planner kind of person, you might want to write this down. If you're not, it continues to be on literally every single day. You'll see it here. And then Thursday, and then Friday. Can I get all the way down to Friday? Let's see, there we go. So until we have that test, that'll be there. And what I'll probably do is just make that the next test date. But hopefully you can see this is what we're learning today in class. We're going over this lesson. This is what you need to do for homework, etc. So please let me know if you have any questions about testing.